Hi, my name is Sting. Today I would like to talk about the identities of Malaysian youth. When we talk about identities, it will be going to say something that's been built in our norm and also the thought that we are exposed to. Since we are living in the multiracial countries, one of the identities has been instilled into Malaysian youth like us, which is to tolerate with each other. During our school lifetime, we make friends with different people, with different races and culture. From here, we learn to accept and understand their living lifestyle and also to live with each other unitedly. Besides, we are also the hope of our countries that we will bring out our creativity and innovative to achieve success and contribute to our country. To be able to compete in the future, we learn our culture has trained us to be disciplined, hardworking, and have the right attitudes to deal with people and matters. We are not only need to be excellent in terms of our academic results, but also as a well-rounded candidates. Furthermore, I believe that we are also one of the most technology savvy in our countries. We can see with all the available tools and guidance, we will unleash our ideas, bring out solutions that will improve our lifestyles, and we will achieve a more quality success. As a Malaysian youth, we are proud to our countries and we will show you what we're capable of. Peace.